Hello everyone. In today's video, we are showing how to use AutoDS to automate and optimize your Shopify store. Now first, sign up for an AutoDS account if you don't have one yet. Now once signed up, integrate AutoDS with your Shopify store by following the on-screen instructions. Use the AutoDS to browse for trending products that you can add to your Shopify store. You can import these products directly into your store with one click. Now set up automation for price adjustments and stock levels. AutoDS will monitor supplier prices and automatically adjust your Shopify listings accordingly. Finally, enable AutoDS to handle order fulfillment and shipping. AutoDS will process customer orders and automatically forward them to your supplier. And that is how you can use AutoDS for Shopify selling. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.